Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to create a fully interactive drop-down menu in Figma using auto layout, components, and optional variables for dynamic text updates. Start by designing the basic elements. Each drop-down option is a text layer, like Option 1, with an optional icon, wrapped in an auto layout frame. Name this layer Option. Then, design the closed state of the menu, the header, with default text like Select, and a chevron icon, also in an auto layout frame with background and border styling. Next, assemble your list by duplicating the option layer as many times as needed. Wrap all the options in a vertical auto layout frame named Menu. A pro tip here, set the width of each option to fill container so they automatically match the menu's width. Combine the header and menu into a single component. Create two variants. Variant 1, closed, hide the menu layer or reduce its height to 0 pixels with clip content enabled. Variant 2, open, show the menu and rotate the header chevron 180 degrees to indicate expansion. To make it interactive, switch to prototype mode. Link the header in Variant 1 to Variant 2 with an on-click trigger and Smart Animate for a smooth drop-down effect. Add an inverse link, so clicking the header again closes the menu seamlessly. For advanced prototypes, you can use Figma variables to dynamically update the header text when an option is selected. Create a string variable, e.g. selected option, and link the header text to it. Then on each option, add a set variable action, so the variable updates on click, reflecting the user's selection. With these steps, you can build drop-down menus that are visually precise, fully interactive, and even dynamically responsive, all within Figma. You can also explore ready-made drop-down components in the Figma community to speed up your workflow.